Your flight just got canceled. Everyone's running to the desk. You're panicking because you don't know what to say. That stops today.
Welcome back to Interview Reality. I'm Emma. In our last video, David made it through check-in and security like a champion. Today, things get a little harder. His flight to London just got delayed and then canceled. You're going to hear exactly what he says to the airline agent, how he asks the right questions, how he claims his rights, and how he gets rebooked into a great option without losing his temper for even a second. Pay close attention to his phrases. These are the ones that work in real life. Let's go.
Excuse me, I just heard the announcement, but I didn't quite catch it. Is the flight delayed?
Yes, sir, I'm afraid so. Flight BA208 to London has been delayed by about 3 hours. The new estimated departure time is 11:30 instead of 8:30.
3 hours? Oh, okay. Do you know why? Is it the weather or?
No, it's not weather-related. There's a technical issue with the aircraft. The engineers are working on it right now, but we don't have a final answer yet. As soon as we know more, I'll make an announcement here at the gate.
I see. And sorry to bother you with another question, but I have a connecting flight in London at 1 in the afternoon. If we leave at 11:30, I'm going to miss it. Should I be worried about that?
I understand, and it's a fair concern. Let me make a note of that on your file. Can I see your boarding pass for a moment?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. So you're connecting to Madrid, I can see it here. For now, I'd recommend just waiting at the gate. If anything changes, and honestly, with a 3-hour delay, it might, I'll come and find you personally to talk through your options. You won't have to fight through a queue.
Okay, thank you. I really appreciate that. Most people would just tell me to check the screens and figure it out myself.
Not on my shift. I'll be back soon. Mr. Carter? I'm sorry to interrupt your wait. I have some news, and I'm afraid it's not great.
Oh no, the flight's canceled, isn't it?
Unfortunately, yes. The technical issue can't be fixed today. We're officially cancelling flight BA208 and rebooking all passengers onto alternative flights.
Okay. I'm trying to stay calm here. So what happens to my connecting flight to Madrid? Do I lose that ticket too?
Don't worry, when the original flight is canceled, your connection is automatically protected. We'll rebook both segments together as one journey. You won't lose anything, and you won't pay anything extra.
That's a relief. Honestly, that's the thing I was most worried about. So what are my options?
I have 2 for you. Option 1, there's a flight tomorrow morning at 7, also to London Heathrow, with a connection to Madrid arriving around 4 in the afternoon. Option 2, I can put you on a different airline tonight, leaving at 10, but you'd land in London just before midnight and have to wait at the airport until the morning Madrid flight. So tomorrow morning, basically, either way.
The tomorrow morning one definitely sounds better. I really don't want to sleep on a bench at Heathrow. Let's go with option 1, please.
Great choice. And in that case, since the cancellation is on our side, not weather, not anything outside our control, you're entitled to a hotel for tonight, meal vouchers for dinner and breakfast, and transportation to and from the hotel.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. I was prepared to pay for a hotel myself. That's actually very fair. Thank you.
Of course. It's not a favor, it's your right under the airline's policy. I'll book you a hotel near the airport with a free shuttle. Here are your new boarding passes for tomorrow, Gate 42, 7 a.m. And here are your meal vouchers, £15 for dinner, 10 for breakfast.
Perfect. 3 more quick questions, if that's okay. First, what about my luggage? I already checked my big bag in this morning.
Great question. Your bag is already tagged through to Madrid, so it's going to stay in our secure baggage system overnight. You don't need to collect it. Just bring your carry-on to the hotel and come straight back tomorrow morning.
Brilliant. Second question. Does the hotel have Wi-Fi? I need to email my office and let them know I won't be in the meeting tomorrow.
Yes, all our partner hotels include free Wi-Fi. You'll find the password at the front desk.
Perfect. And third question, does this cancellation affect anything financially? I mean, am I entitled to any compensation on top of the hotel?
That's a smart question, and yes, possibly. For technical cancellations from flights from this country, you can usually claim around €250 per passenger, depending on the distance. You'll need to fill in a claim form on our website within a few days. I'll print you the link and the reference number before you leave.
Wow, okay. One last thing. I have travel insurance. Should I contact them too?
Yes, definitely. Travel insurance often covers extra expenses the airline doesn't, like missed accommodation or activities you've paid for. Keep all your receipts as proof.
Got it. Honestly, thank you. I came up to this desk expecting a fight, and you've made the whole thing so much easier.
That's really kind of you to say. Most people aren't this patient when their plans get blown up. Have a good night, Mr. Carter. Safe travels tomorrow morning.
Thank you, Emma. See you on the other side. All right, that was a stressful situation, but it ended really well. Let's go back over the most important phrases from today, because these are the ones you'll actually need. When your flight is delayed, ask, "Is the flight delayed?" "Do you know why?" and "What are my options?" That last phrase is the most powerful one you can use at any airline desk anywhere in the world. It opens the door to solutions the agent might not offer you by default.
If your flight gets canceled, remember, you have rights, and the airline is required to help you. You can say, "Am I entitled to a hotel and meal vouchers? What about my luggage? And can I claim compensation for this?" These are the 3 questions most travelers forget to ask, and they can easily save you a few $100s or euros. And the golden rule? Stay polite. Stay calm. The agent standing in front of you didn't cancel the flight, but they're the one who can rebook it, upgrade you, or get you a better hotel. Be kind, and you'll often walk away with more than you expected.
And that's a wrap on video 22. If this conversation helped you feel more confident about handling travel problems in English, please hit the like button. It really helps our small channel grow and reach more learners like you. And subscribe to Interview Reality so you don't miss the next one. We're heading to the hotel next, and trust me, you'll need these phrases too. We'll see you there. Safe travels!